Yeah, as you can see, I've got the 450 out for another ride. Just a bit of dirt. We're just at Piper's Creek here. And yeah, we've got a top day for it. But anyway, we're going to make our way towards Upper Rollings Plains. And yeah. Anyway, let's go. Out here, bloody ridiculous. Alright, we start the dirt now. I think we turn here. Yep. Might need a bit of a slash on the side there. Getting a bit high. Alright, we should be in the forestry soon. This is Cooper Range Road, something like that. Yeah, the road's not too bad. We should turn up here to the right. Coming down to a little creek. Looks dry at the moment. very dark in here. Alright, here's where we turn. What's it called? Molly Milligan Road. Just been on that Cooperbung range. Alright. Still on this Molly Milligan Road. Yeah, it's not too bad. One or two places. Be a bit slippery in the wet. Looks like we're out of the forestry. Little Loop Road. Don't you just love GoPros? Love, hate. They work. They don't work. They work. They don't work. It should be working now. The 11, it never plays up. I've never had an issue with it. This 10, I don't know. Enjoying themselves. All right. Where we're heading, those hills. Everywhere. Stupid dog. Never been up here. Always a first. Road works ahead. As I said, I don't exactly know where I'm going. I got an idea. Sometimes my ideas work out, and other times give it up as a bad joke. So we're dropping down a bit, so we've still got the creek to our left there, some way down there. I haven't seen any road work, so up here a bit further. Nice and dark down here. Oh, that looks like it's the end of the line. End of the line. Alright. We're at this nice little creek here. Now, like I said, why they put two good bridges in and the road comes to an end? So they've got something planned for the future. Alright, so I need to climb up and over that. A little bit of water coming over. Whoop, slippery whitewood. Oh. Yeah, be nice to see it in full flow. Looks deep too. And it just drops off again. Yeah. Yeah. Getting much?
I'm just got about this way up over the other side.
What are you finding? Just specks?
Yeah.
What do they call it?
Just going through some clay at the moment. Got your bike over here, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little quad.
No, 450.
450?
CFMOTO.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it does me alright.
I think that would do most people alright.
I'm surprised they put these good bridges in.
Yeah.
And it comes to an end.
Yeah, well, from what I understand, that road used to go through, but there was a landslide or something in the last flood.
Oh, okay.
Possibly. Because,
oh, mate, down there. Looking for a bit of gold. The price of gold now, you know. Whew. Doesn't matter what you find. Anyway, you think you're out here by yourself, and you're not. There's always someone watching. Anyway, we'll wrap it up there. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, we'll come back here again. Maybe on a stinking hot day. Bye.